In a world where technology is redefining every journey, where every step of the travel experience is evolving faster than ever before, a new age of aviation is dawning. Welcome to the future of air travel, where cutting-edge innovation meets the timeless desire for adventure. Imagine a world where waiting in long lines is a thing of the past, where your face is your passport, your fingerprint your boarding pass. Biometrics is no longer a distant dream. It's becoming reality. Airlines are investing in this technology to make travel seamless, fast, and secure. As privacy concerns are addressed, the day will come when paper and mobile boarding passes are relics of the past, and the only thing you'll need to travel is you. Artificial intelligence is more than just a buzzword. It's transforming the airline industry from the ground up. From predictive maintenance that keeps planes in the sky, to personalized promotions that cater to your every need. AI isn't just making airlines smarter, it's making them more human. The robots are here, and they're making the skies safer, the airport smarter, and your travel experience smoother. With automation revolutionizing every corner of the airport, expect the unexpected. From intelligent kiosks that come to you, to robots that eliminate security risks, the future of air travel is more connected and more automated than ever before. Enter blockchain, the internet of trust. Gone are the days of inaccurate flight information and cumbersome transactions. With blockchain, airlines can provide real-time updates, manage loyalty programs, and handle baggage with unprecedented efficiency. In the world of tomorrow, trust won't just be earned, it will be built into the system. What if you could experience the world without leaving your seat? What if your next destination was just a headset away? With AR and VR, the lines between reality and imagination are blurring. From virtual tours of your flight to immersive in-flight entertainment, the way you experience travel is about to change forever. The future is virtual, and it's just around the corner. The Internet of Things is not just connecting devices, it's connecting experiences. Imagine an airport where your every need is anticipated, every step personalized. From personalized navigation to real-time baggage tracking, IoT is redefining what it means to travel. In the not-so-distant future, your journey won't just be from point A to point B. It will be a seamless experience tailored just for you. As the skies fill with more passengers and the world grows ever smaller, the future of air travel isn't just about getting there faster. It's about making every journey extraordinary. The journey begins now.